Yo, you probably use branded soap every single day, but have you ever wondered how massive factories actually make it? And trust me, the process is way crazier than you think. Watch till the end because the final result is honestly satisfying. First, the cows arrive at the factory area in huge transport trucks. Workers carefully unload them one by one while the entire process is monitored by trained staff. Then professional doctors and experts begin full health inspection.
Easy now. All done.
Every cow
in
gets
just
checked
a
carefully to make sure
second.
everything is safe and clean. Special scanners and advanced machines are also used for detailed monitoring. After inspection, the cows are washed and cleaned in large automated cleaning sections. Everything inside the factory follows strict hygiene and safety systems. Meanwhile, inside the main production area, giant machines start the soap-making process. Huge mixers blend ingredients together while expert workers monitor every step perfectly. Massive tanks, pipes, and machines work non-stop to create branded soap bars at high speed. Even factory doctors and quality control teams keep checking the process again and again to maintain top quality. And finally, after all the processing, mixing, cleaning, and packaging, the finished branded soaps are ready to be shipped all around the world. Would you actually try visiting a factory like this in real life? Comment below.
This one smells like summer rain and vanilla.
Clean.